Hello students, welcome to online lecture of Kids Planet High School. This lecture is for class 1, subject English, poem Magic Seed. Children, in today's lecture, we will study about the poem Magic Seed. In this poem, we will see the magic of a seed from which a plant grows. So let us begin. I found a little tiny seed and planted it outside. Children, in this poem, there is a boy who has found a little tiny seed, meaning a very small seed, and he has planted that seed outside the house. Children, can you see in the picture? The boy has sowed the seed under the ground. Almost at once it started to grow up tall and wide. Children, here the boy is saying that after planting the seed, it started to grow up tall and wide all at once. Children, here tall and wide means big in size. It sprouted leaves from everywhere and soon became quite big. Children, here the plant has started sprouting the leaves from everywhere, meaning the leaves have started to grow on the plant and soon it became quite big. Children, as you can see in the picture, the plant from a seed has become quite big. I am not sure what is it yet. Apples, peas or figs. Children, here the boy is saying that he is not sure what plant is it. It can be a plant of apples or plant of peas or plant of figs. No matter how it turns out, I know that it will be my own completely special something or other tree. Children, here the boy says he doesn't know how his plant is going to be, but he is sure that whatever it will be, it is his own completely special for him, because the boy has loved and cared for the tree and helped it grow. So children, this poem was all about the magic of a seed from which a plant grows.